Hello guys, this is Mainak and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we'll see how to make a plan, elevation section and the structural drawings in AutoCAD. So this will be a complete video and you can start from the very basics. That is, it means if you're a very beginner, you're using AutoCAD for the first time, or you want to revise AutoCAD, you know some AutoCAD, revise AutoCAD and how to make the building drawings fully, and all the answers to this you'll find to this video, so you can watch the video step by step. I'll also provide some link of some study materials or some files, PDF and CAD files in the description, which you can download and practice along with me. So before you start the video, you can download the files and then you can practice along with me, or you can just watch the video and choose to do so. So first of all, I'll open a new AutoCAD file, and I have already made a drawing here of a building from a reference which I found on the internet. So I'll just keep this as my reference, but in this file I'll do everything new and entirely new, and so that you can grasp everything. Okay, so first of all, you create a new AutoCAD file. I'm using AutoCAD 2024. Some of the functions are different in this, like in trim command you need to press only one, that is TR enter. In other earlier AutoCAD you press TR double enter. Otherwise it is more or less the same, whichever version you are using from 2012 or 2024, it doesn't really matter much. Okay, but if you have the latest version, then it's good, because student version of AutoCAD is available, or anyway if you're learning purpose, you can easily download it and use it. So first thing which you do in AutoCAD is necessary is set the units. So you can set the units in two types, that is the SI unit, the standard units, or the architectural units, that are feet and inches, or you can usually go with mm or meter. So in this I'm using the imperial units or the feet and inches, so then I'll show in this part using this, but in another video I'll show in how to draw in mm as well. So the things are very basic. So here we'll do 1/32. So now one may ask why you do 1/32 and not 1/64, because in building drawings the lowest which you can measure is in 1 mm, and if you do 1/32 inch, it comes approximately as 0.87 mm, which is roughly equals to 1 mm. So it's a little less than 1 mm, so we don't need to get more less than that. If we do 1.16, it is more than 1 mm, so that's why I do 1/32 inches and not anything else. Okay, because we want to keep the precision to 1 mm. So that's why just click on OK here, and then we start, and then we go to annotate, and then it's time to set the text. Setting the limits is not really necessary, so I don't do that. So you set the text because this text function is useful in setting the dimensions and setting the leaders as well. Dimensions, all of you know. Leaders are simply just arrow text like this, arrow to point a particular thing. You can see this is a leader like this, and you can just tell like this is leader, this is up, this is leader. So like this, these are called leaders. So text is important because once you start set the text, you can just use it to set the dimensions and leaders as well. So text setting is very important. So now in AutoCAD we scale, the text size depends on drawing size, which you draw obviously in the AutoCAD according to the original size. Suppose this is actually 29 feet 6 inches, this particular line, but the dimension, if we have to scale it to a particular factor. Usually, roughly, if you scale it to 100, it matches with most of the drawings. If the area is larger, it might require a larger scale, like 150 or 200 also. And you can use annotative scale also. That we'll discuss later, but we'll stick to the basics since it is the basic course and the easiest one to understand also. Okay. So first of all, if you're working in Fit, just set yourself 3 types of text here. 3 or 4 will also do. Let's go 4. Okay. So first of all, you can select any suitable text style here. Times New Roman really is a very common accepted style, so we'll go Times New Roman here. Okay. C, Greek, anything you can just take Times New Roman, and the text height will give as 6 inches, and this this particular style you can just create new, and then just call this T1, you can call. Okay, T1 or T100 times you can call, because it just T100 times, and then you can create another one, new, and this time you can call T 150. Okay, and 6 multiplied by 1.5. Okay, 6 multiplied by 1.5 approximately 9. So can you go 9 inches? No need to give the inches, apply, and new, and then we'll do T 200, and this will be 1 feet. Okay, apply, and lowest one will go set current. And another one will do for any of the thin text, we'll just do new, and we'll do thin T 100. Okay, thin text, whenever it is required, we'll just do dim SLX. This one will use. Okay, and then the height will be let's go 6 inches. 6 inches. You don't need to write inch, it automatically takes that because lowest unit is that. Okay, now I can close this. So 4 types of text we have defined. Now let's go with the dimensions. So simply click on new, and this also D100, just write this and continue. And here in the primary units, just go here and we'll do the same architectural 1/32, and here scale factor is not required right now, and in this also this is not much required. Text here, go align with dimension line and set the text to T100. That's why you are seeing this. Symbols and arrows, you can keep the arrow size same as the text size. Okay, we'll keep this as 6 inches for all lines. This is not required right now. Okay, we'll just go by layer here, and offset beyond dimension line, this you can adjust later also. Extend beyond dimension line, offset from origin, these things you can change later. Okay, click on OK, and then click on new. In here, just do D 150. Just change the text and nothing else. Okay, text just change to T 150. Okay, new, D 200, continue, and then text change this to T 200. Okay, go D100 and set it as set current. Okay, close this. Similarly, we'll do it for the liters as well. So you might see this is just taking time, but once you have a habit, you need to do it once or twice, and then you can just copy these file again and again. But I'm just showing you because this is a very important thing, so that you don't mess up from the start. Text style T100, and then leader structure, you have this leader format and leader arrowhead. Just do this 6 inches, click on OK, and click on new. This will be L 150. Okay, just two caps here, 150, and continue, and then just we'll change the text type here, T150. Click on OK, and then new, then L 200, and continue, and then just to change this to T 200, and then click on OK, and then set L100 as set current, and close. So once this is done, the setting of your plan is done. Now you can see for basics, you can just start with the plan and you can just make it, and later you can know how to think about planning and all. This plan, I've not made this, but I found in the internet and just made this plan. So let's see how is the plan. First of all, this is the dimensions is 29 feet 6 inches into 42 feet, and we can draw a rectangle out of this. Okay, so take a rectangle, left click, and don't just click anything else. If you just click anything else in AutoCAD like this, the selection will be like this. Okay, so just if I left click and release the mouse and then just do like this, then you have the blue and green selection. Don't just click and do like this. Okay, click, you have to leave after clicking in AutoCAD. Okay, anything you have to leave. Okay, left click and then leave, and then you move the mouse like this. Okay, don't do like this. This doesn't work in AutoCAD. Okay, like this. So this is the blue and the green selection. I'll just tell you this about this later. So once you have the blue selection on, you can see green selection on, that is the from right to left. If you go to the screen, then anything it touches, it selects it. But if you have the no, blue selection on, whenever you see a full object, then only it will select. See this, it will not select. Okay, but this object is full. Okay, so it will select. So if you want to select half objects, select with this option. If you want to select like full objects, this one, so use this option. So this is very useful here in AutoCAD. So the rectangle is 29 feet 6 inches into 42 feet. Okay, so take a rectangle here and draw like this at the rate 29 feet 6 inches comma 42 feet. Enter. Okay, so 29 feet 6 inches, I will press 19. Okay, 29 feet 6 inches comma 42 feet. Enter. Okay, this is the actual dimension here, and you can see this, we have a block here. So the outer walls we are going to give 10 inch and the inner walls we are going to give as 5-inch walls here. So outer walls of 10 inch, 10. Okay, this is done, and we are going to explode this. Select this, type E and then select explode. So this will now become separate entities. First room, here we have the two types of area here. 11 feet 6 inches into 16 feet is the first master bedroom. Here 11 feet 6 inches in this direction and 16 feet in this direction. So you type how to give the offset, type O, enter, and then 16, type 16 feet, enter or space, and then click left click like this. O, enter, 5 inches, left, enter, left click like this you do, and then press escape, then TR, enter, and then you can trim this like this. Okay, I'll just trim this one, okay, for now, because in this direction we have other areas as well, but in this direction we don't have, so I'll just do this one. And then this one is 10 feet 2 inches from there. Okay, O, enter, 10 feet 2, don't need to do inches, press space, left click, press O, enter, 5, left click. So we can see the dimension now. Click here and see the dimension here like this. If you just turn on the ortho on, then it will 90 degrees always. Okay, like this. Okay, so the next thing is you have this bedroom of 12 feet here. O, enter, 12 feet, enter, space or enter, whatever, escape, O, enter, 5, enter. Okay, so just TR, enter, just zoom in. Okay, this might not work for the older version, but newer version it works like this. Zoom in and do like this. This is gone here like this. So if you see this, anything we have in this particular direction, no, we don't have anything in this particular span here. So you just press TR, enter, and do like this. Okay, and this also, this is toilet of 5 feet 6 inches and 5 feet 6 inches toilet, offset, O, enter, 5 feet 6, enter, escape, O, enter, 5 inches, enter, like this, TR, enter, zoom in and do like this, and you can zoom in and do like this. This will go. Okay, so this is the frame we are creating here, and then we have a toilet here of 7 feet 9 inches into 4 feet. We can do this later. You can come up with this one, this particular portion here. This one is 6 feet 4 inches here. So we'll take offset, select. So okay, let's do a 10-inch wall here. Okay, let's just trim this portion. Okay, so here the stairs actually start from here, this portion. So take a line here, take the center, join this, and you can see this 6 feet 4 inches, and the steps are here 3 feet 1 inches, so there is 2 feet 2 inches gap between them. Okay, so 0.5 if you do, or just take this as 3 feet 1 inches offset from this side and offset from this side, and then TR enter, zoom in and do like this. Okay, and use offset here. The offset is 3 feet 6 inches, the land staircase landing, over enter, 3 feet 6, enter, and then 3R enter. Okay, done. Okay, so now we have offset here of 10 inches. So this the riser actually starts from here, I think from this side it starts. Okay, this side it starts. First of all, I'll just TR enter, press shift and then do this, then it will extend. Okay, and then you use the offset command of 10 inches and you will offset first riser 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, so 22 steps in total. TR enter and then just do this, and we might need to join this later, reason I'll tell you, okay, later. So once this is done, the staircase is done, and then we can go for the kitchen. This is 9 feet here, offset 5 inches, trim this, and then this is area is open and 4 feet, and whatever the space is remaining here, this is the, so to take an offset of 4 feet, take it from here, set of 5 inches, take it from here, TR enter, zoom in, zoom this in, okay, so shift and then do this, and then you can do this. Okay, so this is pretty much this, and then this portion, let's do what is in this portion, living area, and then the porch actually. So we have 11 feet entrance to the porch after the wall. Okay, so let's do a wall here, and then we can even just do this and trim this, and we can even trim this, I think, yeah, then trim this. This is porch, so 11 feet 11 feet entrance here, select this, EX enter, select this, and offset 10-inch wall, because this is the exterior wall in aspect. Okay, 10-inch wall here, so this is the porch area, and then what you have is the entry, which starts from here, has 3 risers actually. So entry, we are going to give this entrance door 3 feet 6 inches. Why not? 3 feet 6 inches entry, select this, EX enter. Which one should I extend? Bottom one, right? So then offset 10 inches. One step is already there, steps. Okay, 2 steps. Select this. I just want to do up to this much. Okay, one offset 10 inches. Another step, and then this will go automatic. Here enter is this. So 3 steps here for this portion. This is the board, this is the entrance, and I think this is pretty much this area. Living, dressing. Okay, this is okay. So now let's make the doors here. So this will be there will be a door here, 2 feet 6 inches for this. Oops. Toilet door. This is a PVC door here. This will be a common toilet here. So offset 2 feet 6 inches. You can do from either side. Let's do from this side. Here enter. Click on escape. This door to this particular room, this side and this side. So this will do a 3 feet. We'll do a 3 feet 3 inches door. Let's use, okay, let's do a little bit up. What else? TR enter. Okay, this is done. And then yes, now you have to enter this toilet, this bedroom, and this toilet, and you have to trim this portion. TR enter and escape. Trim the portions which are not required. Okay, obviously we don't need this one. What was this for? This was for the staircase or whatever. I think let's delete this. No, oh, this is for the this. Okay, so the kitchen door you can leave through this portion. I'll prefer an open kitchen, so I'll just leave an open kitchen here. Select like this, offset of 4 feet, and we'll do a 4 feet door here and escape and trim this. And we'll just trim this portion. This is a 4 feet door here, and this is it in this particular description. And now it's time to do all the defining things. I think okay, we can do the doors, windows, and other things as well. Other defining things. So you can see our plan, frame or skeleton. You can say this is ready, and then we do the other things. We can do the column positioning now itself, or we can do it later. So I'm going to introduce some layers here. So layer properties, go layer here and just new layer, and in this we'll introduce here a layer for column, and we'll do this layer red, and we'll close this one now. We go to column layer and we'll place the columns here. We create a column here at the rate 1 feet, comma 1 feet, enter, and then maybe we'll hatch it also. This you can just adjust here. I prefer solid columns, solid by layer, and we'll just make this a block, or not a block. I prefer a group. Okay, just a group. G enter, so that you can select this at once. Just move this one. This is the first column, and move this and place it here, and then another one column will place it in along this and along the end. So let's do for the staircase also. Columns, pretty obvious things you do first in a plan, and then you decide for the more complicated ones. Okay, no problem in that, because staircase obviously you need 4 columns for the headroom, so there is no doubt in that. So finish that portion first, copy, and then can do here, I think, copy, okay, and obviously we'll need a column at the end. Now think when you do columns, you think of beams as well, how you want to place the beams. Like a beam will be like this, and it would be good if this beam was like this, but you should keep now in this particular layer here. Okay, so here in this particular layer we just copy this and maybe place it here along this line. I can push it the door a little bit. Let's see how much this is taken here. Obviously this will take like 2 inches, so you can push this by 2 inches, this side 2, and then trim this, so it will be fine. And this one, copy this, and we'll not have a similar thing here, but it is the best we can do here. And this will be a straight line of columns again, horizontal beam here, horizontal beam here. So this will be it here. Okay, if you could give here, then you will get vertical thing as well. Okay, so we'll see. So another beam or group of columns you can have here. Okay, so we'll escape and we'll select this and select the top portion of this first, because I want to place it along this here, and then I want to select this and copy and move it from here, and I want to place it along here. So it will be this along the same line, and along this same line we'll have this. So I think if we just move this one particular column along this, so it will be along the same line. So this size is little bit, you can see this size is little bit more. Okay, so you can increase the size of this particular column as well, but you'll see this, you have to stick this in the design, so no worries in that. Okay, and we'll also move this, so we'll have a uniform. This is the dream of structural engineer, to have all the columns in the same line. So I'll just move this one here, so we'll have the columns along the same line here. And if you need cantilever, you can get cantilever on this side when you make the headroom, so there will be no problems in that this portion. Okay, so this is the design. So one beams, and this also, there also, if we give another one, then it will be perfect for the beam. So you know, a beam column plan, you'll understand how the beam works, but this is perfectly done. Now we can go for the text. So do the text here, and here we have the master bedroom. Okay, so before we do this text, I want to go to layer properties, and I want to go create a new layer. So this, I'll do this as I'll use caps, maybe text. Okay, text, maybe blue in color, or even teal. So I'll select teal text here, and this I'll write as master bedroom. So sorry, I mean column layer. You get out of this column layer, just click text layer, and then you can escape, then to the text master. Which layer of text am I in? Annotate, or I'm not in thin text. I have to do this T100. Okay, I'll do T100, and then go to home, and then layer text, and then use this. So use here master bedroom. You can use like this. You can give the size here like this. Okay, so master bedroom, you can give the size of this master bedroom here like this by measuring here. By the way, annotate and dimension T100 is current. Okay, so this is okay. So you can give the size here like this. So by the way, let's create another layer, which is will be of dimensions, and dimensions will do this as yellow. Okay, master bedroom, and then copy this, and then we'll just do this to this. This will be a bedroom. Just copy this, delete bedroom. This will be a toilet. This will be another toilet here. This will be a kitchen. We can give furniture elements as well, but I think we will not cover this really here because it becomes too much. So we'll give porch here, or we can do as well, though no worries in that. Porch. The spelling is like this, porch. There's no E. And I'll give the living hall. Give this as a living area. Okay. And you can give this as mid landing or something you can give. I would rather rotate this, just to select and turn the ortho on. Now use F8, select M, enter, select, click, and do like this. So figure it out. Those who play games, these things are very easy for them. Other lab computer games, it's like just like a game. Dimension, measure the. Oh, alright, what did it do here? Move this, do this. Okay, dimension layer. I've gone to dimension layer, and then I'll just keep the outer dimension here, 29.6 inches. Then this should be 42. See, dimension is perfectly visible here. And then you give the dimensions of the inner rooms as well, or you can choose to just name the dimensions. So if you want to have furniture elements, then you better just name the dimensions here. Okay, so how can you name them? I'll just show you. So suppose this plan is 11 feet 6 inches into like this. You can just keep it like this for all the entire thing, or you can just choose to whatever you prefer. You can do this, both are correct. What is in there, just try it like 11 feet 6 inches into 16 feet like this. You can write, and you can select this and press just center this. Okay, just do like this, master bedroom like this you can do, and delete this later. So you can choose whatever you prefer in this size. So first of all, you can just keep the dimensions here, and whenever you give the dimensions, you just keep this along a side, so that if you keep it, then doesn't block much things. I know this is 12 feet still, just for showing. Okay, so let's do some dimensions. You need to show that. We'll see 5 foot 4 inches into 5 feet 6 inches. Bedroom 10 feet 2 inches across 12 feet. Four feet plus 7 feet 4 inches. Kitchen 11 feet 6 inches. mid-landing these things. This you can show, or else just show the dimension here. That should be enough. Like this you can show the dimension of this two living area, because like this you can show, or else you can just light like this also. 15 feet 11 inches into 16 feet 1 inches. Not a better thing. Porch. Okay, for the porch I'll keep this like this, and you can show this dimension, I think. Yeah, this dimension, and select this dimension, and we can select, okay, this whole thing can select this like this. That should be enough to represent here. You can also mention rise and tread also, but it's not really required. So this you can do. So the next thing which you do is the doors and windows. So first of all you go here and make a layer here. So first let me make a layer with the doors here. Okay, just doors, and we give this a shade of red, I think. Okay, shade of red. Okay, and do this here, and we'll just go to the door layer, and here we'll make some doors here, starting with this 3 feet 6 inch door. So we'll take a rectangle here and take a rectangle of 2, sorry, just take a rectangle once again, escape, and take a rectangle once again, left click at the rate 2, 2, enter, and then we'll put it here, and then we'll just hatch it, solid by layer. Okay, select this, copy, and then move it here, and then we'll, this preferred location is this side, so we'll take a rectangle once again, and this time we'll just do at the rate and 2, 3 feet, enter, and this will just do here, and move it to this corner. Okay, and we'll have a door arc here, and an arc will start on the ortho, and then just select this, and this like this. You can just adjust this scale also based. Okay, so then we'll it's better you hatch this, so enter, hatch, and then hatch this portion, and then it's better if you join them, select this like this, like this, like this, and select this like this, and G, enter, just to group them together, just to form a little group here. And then you have the other doors here. Kitchen will not definitely not given a door here, along here. This door should be good along here, so select this at the rate 2, 2, enter, and hatch obviously, and then copy obviously from this to this, and then ortho should be on this time, and then at the rate 2 inches, 1.6, maybe just a little smaller, otherwise plan will look so much congested. And so enter, hatch this, and after that click escape and select this and copy, and move it to this portion. Not copy, I want to move this, and enter, and select this point, and then move it to here, and then turn the ortho off with allo, and then after that just take the arc here, and then take the arc here, and then just do it like this, and then just do this like this. Okay, so then we'll just create this like this, and select this and select this, and create a group. G, enter, just a group here, and then you select this, and you can select this, and copy, and copy it to this portion. Just take ortho once again, and then I think I will paste it here, whatever, and then select this and copy, and then not copy, move this, rather move this to this point. it's better. Extra copy was clicked here, so delete this and delete this also. It's extras. So this is that, and four, we need I think two more doors here for this portion and this portion. So the size is the same, so we just need to create one at the rate 2 comma 2, enter, and we'll hatch it, hatch this, and first of all we'll move this in the proper location, select this point and select this point, and then we'll copy this, and then we'll just use the rectangle door, and this will be at the rate 2, so at the rate 2 feet, 2 feet comma 2 inches. So HA, enter, like this, select this, and move it, rather select this point and select this point, select this and select this, and okay, not now. First of all, I'll just do the arc here, turn off the ortho, arc here like this, and select this. I think the arc will be better a little bit like this. Select this, select this, select this, and G, enter the group here. No problems in that. Copy, and we'll just move it here like this, and no problem. Move it here like this, and we'll just mirror this. Turn off the ortho, inside like this. Yes, so they're going to delete this, and we'll just move this here. Okay. Kitchen, there will be an open kitchen here, and you want to give the denotations to it, or annotations, whatever. Text here, and text here, just mention there. This will be a D1. Let me do the caps lock on. Better copy this, copy, and D1, and this will be D2. This should be D. We'll give a table representing all this, no problem in that. Yeah, another D2 here for the bathroom door. D2. Yeah, this is pretty much it. And if you want, you can give a rolling shutter here as well. So because most of us would like to keep the porch open because of security reasons, so those persons, they can use this as open also, or you can give a door outside also, depends upon you. So I prefer the door is outside, this is open, okay, or else you can give a rolling shutter here also, okay. And now it's time for windows, so we'll go layer properties, and this win, so caps lock off, win, and vent. This one layer, will keep this as similar to this, just lighter shade maybe, okay, just not to give too much colors here, that's why. So we'll leave windows and ventilators, select this, and select this here, okay. So 5 feet window, you just select at the rate 2, not 2, 10-inch wall, so 10 comma 10 comma 5 feet, enter here, and select this and join this at the center, and offset of 2 inches from this side, escape and delete the middle side, and hatch it in this middle portion, and you want to give the dotted lines for the chajja. So chajja, extend this 3 inches or 3 inches, and then we go 6 inches, 6 inches, and then you go here up to this much. Let's go first, and then move 3 inches, and then just this much, and then do this. Okay, so this the chaja portion, that is, just join J enter. So this is joined into a single chaja portion. So this portion we will do this as another layer, dotted lines. So load some dotted lines here, dash, okay, load this also, space, okay, load this dot also, load dot also, load hidden, hidden to 2x, and hidden also, whichever works. We'll just use these are common things, hidden, okay. So okay, and select this now, and then we'll go here. Let's see which one works here. Hidden dot, I think this works. Okay, this kind of works. So select this and enter a group here, make this a group, and then move it, and we'll take the center and paste it here. And if you want to just move it, or you copy. Ortho is turned on, so we'll just use it to the kitchen portion here, and you can see like this, and we'll mirror this, okay, somewhere around here, no, okay, and then move this, okay, so like this, and enter, and then select this like this, copy, one here will be fine, here another one will do fine, okay. Back side also you will want, select this, copy, do like this, select this, rotate, move, select this, copy, okay, do like this. So if you think this is less visible, I can change the color as well for this particular thing. This one, yeah, this one looks more visible here, because earlier it was little bit less visibility. You also do. Okay, that was better, just a shade lighter. So this is okay for the windows. Ventilator also we'll give here. We have 2 toilets, so we'll have 2 ventilators here. So just take the rectangle here, and at the rate 2 feet, comma 10 inches. So 2 feet, 3 feet ventilators are also there. 2 feet, 6 inches also there. Okay, let me just increase this. Okay, 2 feet is enough. I think offset of 1 inches. Enter this ventilator. Usually this is not required, charger, so can give, it's optional, because most of the times it will be closed. So you can give it in a corner also, except they are not really a big deal. So copy this and move this here, depends where the toilet is. Select it, this here, and rotate, turn on the ortho, and then rotate, and then move this here, select this and enter, move here, select this, keep it in a corner, or just leave it here as well. Okay, no problem. And then we'll do the naming. So we'll just go back to text here. So text, this one, this will be text W, capital W is preferred, so capital W, this one, and select this, copy, This is B for ventilator. Okay, so this looks pretty much it, and here you can just give a text here. This is ground floor plan. And Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus B for bold, and Ctrl plus U for the underline. And we'll select this text and we'll increase the text here. This will be, let's do this to T 150. Just a little bit this heading, so there's a little bit more the size. Okay, and when you do the ground floor plan, and you can also give the plot layout in that also. Okay, so suppose I give this a plot layout for this as well, site layout or plot layout you may call it. Okay, we can give this as well. Okay, so let's keep 3 feet in this direction. Okay, just explode this and make this 1 feet more, and this to 1 feet, 2 feet more. Okay, select this, EX enter. Okay, EX enter. Auto is off, so turn off on, and then select this, EX enter, select this, yeah, enter, do this. Select this, EX enter, shift up. T enter. So plot boundary or site boundary you can make like this, and J enter to join. Like this you can give, and I can also give the dimensions here. Okay, dimensions just to show the offset here, 4 feet from this side, 3 feet from this side, 3 feet from this side, and 3 feet from the front. Not exactly. No, I don't want this. I want to define 6 feet in the front. Just take a polyline and I'll just drop this line here. Select this, escape, select this, EX enter, and then I'll trim the remaining portion and I'll put this in 0 layer. Okay, and then I will just give the dimension here like this. Okay, so you can do more, like you can mention the roads as well, in which direction, like this one also you can mention here. Suppose let's take a rectangle here like this. Well, let's go back to 0 layer and do this in 0. Rectangle here like this. You can just show okay, like this you can show a rectangle, and you can just mention here road 2 meter wide or something. Mention the road, and mention the other plot name as well here, plot of Mr. Sachin, for example, and then just rotate this like this, turning the ortho. So these are the proper ways in which you need to do. That's why I'm showing the entire thing in a plan. rotate this like this. Rahul, copy this and select this and right click and then rotate. Mr. Viper, so like this you make this, and then we make a particular box here. So here A4 size is 8.25 comma 11.75 inches. So that's why you use scale. So this is the A4 size, actual paper size. I'm going to scale this. Let's see, enter. Let's scale it to 100 times, and you can see scale 100 times. This looks like this, and we have used 100 scale for the text also, so it will fit in. Okay, it will fit in like this, okay, properly. But let's prepare the other things first. Offset of 1 feet inside like this for the first year thing. Then we'll explode this thing, this thing, and here you can put a box here also, or you can just you can customize the box for yourself. Okay, so 6 feet, I think 12 feet is good for the box. Yeah, 12 feet is good for the box here. Here I want to give the direction of this thing, and I want to give the text here. Later I'll just do this multi-line text here. Plot ground, okay, just zoom in, ground floor building of Mr. Kumar. Okay, ground floor building drawing, RCC single story building drawing of Mr. Kumar Das. That is the actually the title, and I'll annotate this to a bigger thing. This is the main heading of the drawing. Okay, so this is the title. I want to make this, and the remaining things I'll put it here like this. You can do, and notate multi-line text here. I'll put it include other things as well. Okay, so I'll put here drawing number, all in caps, it's better. Okay, drawing mark or number, whatever you can just give this. I'll just do dr01, something like this. You can just give this dr/01. You can just give this like this, drawing mark. Okay, and then copy this little bit, give a little bit space here, and this will be scale. I'll go 1:100 scale, and then that's because we scale the A4 paper to 100, that's why. And then we give here date, today's date is let's give 25/12/2024. okay, you can give a preferred format here like this. I want to give this 3. okay, just make this a little bit more even spacing, and drawing mark like this, and do this copy. So you can really customize these things. I'm just showing you from the scratch how to, because I have all the formats ready. I can give you, but I'm just showing because if you want to create a better format, I'm just showing you the idea of how to do that. Okay, so that's very important. Drawing name, or drawing title is sounds better. Okay, drawing title. I'll just do this here, ground floor plan. Ground floor architectural plan. This happens like this. Ctrl+X. Okay, ground floor architectural plan. Then it will be I can just do here design by, give your name. Okay, just give your name here. Okay, building location you can give here. Okay, location, give the detailed location and pin code and etc. here. Just give the location here. Let's give the location, and here you can include some general notes as well, or you can use your company logo as well. So to insert your company logo or any logo, how to do this, I'll also show this here. Okay, and first of all, let us the important thing, which is to how to do this direction. Okay, so for that I'll just give you the file in the description. Okay, you can download it from there. I'm just opening it. So this is the file. You can just select whichever direction you want to be. Okay, rooster, you can have various funny figures as well. So whichever direction suits you, you can use this. Okay, so I'll select this rooster, copy, Ctrl+C, and then in this particular project, Ctrl+V. Here you can see this will not fit according to scale. You have to adjust it. SC, enter, and I'll pick the middle and just make it a bit smaller for now. Later I'll adjust this, move this, turn the ortho off, and then just you can see I need to scale it further. SC, enter, and then move this here so I can scale this more. So if you want to change the direction here, just double click on it and then click on OK, and then you can change the direction here like this. Suppose this is not facing plot, so this you change this to Ctrl+A, north, and then you change this to east. Obviously then this will be south, and obviously then this will be west. It goes here like this, west, and then close this and then save the changes here. So this is the drawing here. And if you want our company logo here, how can I do it? I'll also show you. Just create an image or logo of your company. Okay, then you can just insert it here. Let's show both the ways. Okay, So suppose you have a company logo here, this silver, I want to insert this. So right click and then click on edit. So it will open in MS Paint. So Ctrl plus A, okay, and then Ctrl plus C. Copy this from here, from Paint. Otherwise it will not work. Okay, then press paste, and then do this, and you can see this is the logo here. Just you need to scale this. You can scale this like this, okay, and move this here like this, and just leave some space for the sign as well, okay, and signature and all. You can just keep this space for this, okay, like this, or you can just make a default text in AutoCAD also. So it's up to you. Now once this is completed, you just move this in here like this. Bottom portion we have left it void, and that is for the table. And first of all, multi-line text, we want to create a table here, but we prefer here, let's go, we prefer here to do it by normal text here. So this will be called door and window schedule. So door and window schedule, this is very important, and Ctrl plus A and keep it at the center. And door and window schedule below this, we'll just copy this and turn the ortho on. This is very important. Just give it a good spacing here, and then move this little bit here. First here we'll do this as the mark, RK mark, and these D, W, these things will be there, okay, for the mark. And then there will be the description, okay, our description will be last. Okay, we'll do seal level. Seal level is the bottom level here, seal level, and then we'll do lintel level. Lintel level is the top level of that particular portion, okay, lintel level. And then we'll do the size. Everything will be in and we'll just do this later. This will be size, okay, and then there will be the description. Description should start from here. Description is largest. Description, so it will take the most space here, the description, okay. We'll take the line here. To do this, let's take a little bit more for the description, and select this and copy, and do like this and do like this. Sorry, okay. Select this, CO, enter, select this, and just do this. Door window schedule, just move it a little bit to the center here, and mark, and all these things let's copy along with this one to select this and select this. So mark, let's first start with D. Door, sea level is the bottom level. I will do this as 0 feet 0 inches, okay. Lintel level will do this as 7 feet 0 inches. Size of that particular door, this will be 3 feet 6 inches into 7 feet 0 inches. Description, this will be single leaf wooden door. So move this to here, and description this to here, okay. Then we'll select this line, and we'll select this like this, copy this, and then select this and reduce this to this much, and then copy this once again. Select this, move it up, trim, Okay, then we select this, and then we go for the next one, D1 and D2. D1, D2. So D1 and D2 seal level is okay. Size will be, for the D1, this will be 3 feet 3 inches, and for this one it will be 2 feet 6 inches, right? So then select this once again, and then we go for window ventilator. Okay, don't have any rolling shutter here, so window and ventilator. Window sill level starts at 3 feet. Okay, and that's 7 feet, so the size is 5 feet 0 inches into 4 feet 0 inches. 7 minus 3, it is 4. So this is the size here. And for the ventilator, the sea level is 7 feet. Okay, sea level is 7 feet, so the ventilator is above, and the lintel level is at 9 feet. 10 feet also, just to match it with the roof slab, that also some people will do. So we can do it as per your preference. And obviously this D1 single leaf wooden, this will be single leaf PVC. Okay, PVC means polyvinyl chloride, and PVC door are used in windows, so I am using small letters, PVC door. And a window is you can use aluminum window because there will be grills outside anyway, so it will be aluminum. This is 5 feet, so to do 2 feet also, double shutter aluminum window we can do. Aluminum frame window. Okay, can just do here, EX, enter, and this will be single leaf glazed single leaf. Glazed means it will be glassed here present. Glazed single leaf. Okay, this will be like this, door and window schedule. Let's move this to center. So this will be like this. So I'll not put the door and window schedule here. Just press Ctrl plus S and we'll save this particular drawing at a location. So name this drawing and I'll just save this. Okay, so the important thing is now you need to able to give an output of this particular drawing here. Okay, so here just press Ctrl plus P and then just do the settings. So you have Microsoft Print to PDF obviously, so just select this. This is the easiest one, and then you go to window here and then select this and select this like this. And first of all, center the plot, select portrait, and then apply to layout, and then go and select here preview. So you can see this, it appears here like this. So you can see when it appears on white paper. So on white paper some shades are not properly visible here, like this. You see teal color, not this best of the visibility in white, so you change this. Okay, so upload layer we've done, just close this and we'll just change this particular layer here, the color, because whenever we print, obviously print in white paper, not in black paper, so we need to change the color accordingly. So white paper, I think pink will be visible easily, so it just changes to pink or magenta, and then I think very many things will be visible. Let's see again, Ctrl plus P and preview. So you can see dimensions also 29. This yellow also, that is not the best of the providing the best of the visibility here, the yellow color for this. So we'll change this also, and the remaining things are very well visible. Okay, properly done. You can see that. So we'll change that one also. So this dimension color will change. Layer properties, dimension. Just to change this color to a more visible color here. Maybe blue is a better color. Let us check. So that's why I change often to this. Yeah, this is very better. You can change the sheet color to white, because when you change the sheet color to white, then I can easily know which color is visible in white. Okay, so you can see the blue color is easily visible in white. So press this option, it will print it. Just select the location in which you want this to be printed. So I've selected the location, and I'll make the file name here. There's a DR1, right? DR01, and save this. So then in some of the cases the file will open automatically, otherwise you have to go and I think open the file here. Okay, this is the file. So now see the file here, and you can see when it prints also it will probably visible. You can see from the PDF file itself, and here so you can see this document here. Check this document, this is properly visible. Now the one thing which you can do is you can insert furniture blocks to this. So I don't prefer putting furniture blocks, but some of you might prefer that, because it little bit makes the plan a little bit more clumsy. But I'll show you anyway, and I'll show you in a way which is less clumsy. Even if you use the furniture blocks, make sure you use less blocks, because sometimes it makes the plan a little bit more attractive, I'll say. And you can also hatch the borders as well. That is also a thing which makes your plan little bit attractive in terms of the presentation to your clients. So we'll use that thing. Okay, so first of all we have to have a file. I'll just give you the file link in the description. Everything will be available, so no need to search and do the things. Everything I'll give you for free. Okay, whatever I have using in this video, so don't have to worry about that. So I think furniture blocks, potted plants, drawing day one. I think this will be, we have some good furnitures. Yeah, I think so. So sometimes you have to scale. I think I'll take this, I'll take this, and I'll take this stove, and I'll take this, and I'll take this toilet seat, living room, sofa. So these are the common things you need. If you can give a squat toilet also, this squat toilet also will give, and some plants also, let's take. Okay, so all this I'm taking here, and press Ctrl plus C, and then we'll go to here, and then press Ctrl plus V and put it here. So you can just align it along to the dimension. You can see approximately 156 inches there. So 156 is the width of a person. So like this you can scale this, but it is already scaled, so you can use it directly in here, and just keep it here. And I will give a squat toilet here. It's very popular in India. This Okay, so to adjust your writings a little bit for to make the probably avoid some clashes. This is the dining area. Dining area should be here in this living room area. Sofa and all, you can add more also. I'm just adding minimal furniture blocks which are required. And the kitchen here, kitchen, let's go 2 feet, 2 feet counters. Okay, trim this. Okay. So is on off, so turn it on and do this. Okay, so move this. This is the off. This is the stove. So put the stove here, and there's a sink. So I'll just rotate it first. What have I done? Put the sink in here, this direction, kitchen this direction. No need to overcomplicate the things. Put the flowers outside, front 6 feet space which you have. Okay, nice and good. And then we have the master bedroom also, and for the master bedroom we'll have some beds also. Okay, so for the beds I'll just open another file here. Office furniture, potted plants, spot toilet, bedroom, showers. Let me just check first. So we have some file where you have the bedroom layers, bedroom different beds here. I'll just attach this, so you can select any one of them. I want to select one which doesn't have too much this extra things, because in that way I think this is good for now. Copy this and just I'll prepare this first, because obviously this will not be ready. So I'll select this first and I'll make this a group first. Okay, so make this a group first, and then bed is usually not more than 6 feet. Okay, so 2 persons sleeping, 1 feet, minimum 3 feet is required. If you keep 1 feet space also, 5 feet is enough, I think. So 5 feet. Okay, so this is the average size for the bed, 5 feet. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just select this and we'll select AL, enter, align, and select this corner to this, and select this corner to this, and press yes. Okay, so then we select this and remove. Now it is a size which is suitable to our plan, right? So we still see the direction here. So the direction is okay, it hanged a bit. So actually this direction should be rotated, because I think this is this should be west here, southwest. Okay, let me just change it for, so just change it. So this is southwest, master bedroom, and select this, move, and as per Vastu, we give our heads, provide our heads in the south direction. Okay, not in the north direction. Okay, so we'll give the south or east is suitable. So south, master bedroom, bed, and another bed. For this bed, this is already a small room, so I don't want a this size bed. I want a smaller bed. Let me see if I have a smaller bed in the bed's plan, or a simpler bed, whatever you call it. I don't have one, so I'll select only this portion, and then I'll copy this, Ctrl plus C, and then Ctrl plus V, and select this, and I'll align it with this. Okay, first of all I'll need to make this line, I think. Okay, then I need to group this, enter, and I need a 5 feet line, 5 feet, enter. I need to move it a little bit here. Then I need to turn on the ortho. Then I select this, AL, enter, and select this, select this, select this, select this, enter. Yes. Oh, what have I done? Again, try again, Ctrl plus Z, and again try again, AL, enter. Sometimes this happens if I was not sure if I clicked or not. Okay, so that's why it happened. Yes, not perfect. Move, turn the ortho off now. Okay, so this is it, and if we're done so much, let's insert a car as well. So car in this particular plan, select this, copy, and put it here. Okay, like this. So now this plan is with furniture layout. I try to keep the furniture layout minimum so that it not becomes too much complicated. And obviously let's keep the hatch as well. And do we want to make a layer for the hatch? I think it's better in that way. This is good for hatch, right? In that way you can delete this to be easier. So hatch, okay, this looks good. Ctrl plus P. Just have a look at the preview here. Okay, looks okay, looks good. In fact, I think this plant is not looking good. I think not looking bright, so not looking that bright, this plant. It's looking bright here, but don't know. Also this this color, I want to do this red. Yes, red looks far better. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, and DR01 with furniture layout. I'll just furniture layout as well. Save this, and let's see our PDF, and let's see the difference here. Okay, this one is with the furniture layout. So yeah, it looks better. It looks better whenever give it to a client or someone like that. Obviously this looks better. Flower, it doesn't look that much bad. It's okay. So it looks better. So this is the plot, site plan, or you can say plot. So this is a plot of three other people, and this is the road, and you have the directions here, and you have the drawing details here. You can have the drawing window schedule here, and all the sizes of the plan are mentioned. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is the plot size. So obviously you have to mention that. So that is an incomplete drawing. Just notice this now. So this you want to mention here. This dimensions, and plot dimension, obviously you want to mention turn the auto on the plot size. So if anyone wants to have a plot size of 35 feet 6 inches into 52 feet, then effectively with proper, almost all the rules of municipality have this particular criteria: 3 feet, 4 feet in the back, and 6 feet in this normal, like average. I'm taking not exact, you have to go into the bylaws, but this much distance for residential building you have to usually live. So then this will be a suitable plot for a building. So RCC building, that is, just replace this. Yes. So now it is done here, furniture layout. You can see plot, bedroom, ground floor plan. So yeah, this looks good here. So make sure you make this properly, and if you have any doubts, make sure you ask me in the comment section.